We have been utilizing satellites for various purposes in the medical field since 1980s, but the prevailing threat to humanity is so enormous that now we may need to use the existing satellite networks for this purpose with some novelty. Satellite technologies that are currently in use. These are remote sensing satellites, GPS satellites, and communication satellites. How can satellites help us in COVID control? Prevention is always better than cure, so let's start with the role in restriction of transmission. The remote sensing technologies of satellites gather information from a distance without making contact with the object observed and can also create high quality maps of a designated area. Conventional mapping and more recently geographic information systems are critical tools in tracking and combating condition. On one hand, they can help us identify hotspots and can also give us imagery data on movements which can help us contain the spread. On the other hand, the same map imageries can spot the cold spots and signal the concerned authorities for implementing strict precautionary measures. If this technology was efficiently utilized at the start of the outbreak in Wuhan, maybe we could have stopped it from being a pandemic itself. Though a bit late, most of the countries are making best use of satellite data for the management of the outbreak. Next concern is the follow-up to the precautionary measures taken. Satellites provides information about the success of the global response to the stay-at-home and social distancing policies. They provide information regarding human interactions and migrations happening in major cities, tourist destinations, highways, industrial sites, etc. They help map the distribution of health institutions or testing facilities according to the movement of the people. They help in tracking the water and electricity supplies. They help give us a view on the impact on environment and reduction in pollution due to lockdown regulations, which too indirectly points to decrease in movement. Beyond all these measures, what if we suspect infection or what if we are infected? Do satellites have a role then? Let's see. World of science have evolved a lot and so have the utility of satellites. That is what the surveys of telemedicine have proved. Satellites collect and transmit real-time imagery of patients and people with queries on a call, which is processed by the communication satellite, and the information is sent to the base unit, which is the doctor at the other end, and vice versa, without actual visit to the hospital. Even people in rural areas can connect and seek advices from specialist doctors who sit far away. They help in keeping track of the people and patients under home or institutional quarantine for COVID-19. These help in continuous exchange of information between hospitals and specialists and between emergency services and the hospital, thus enabling smooth conduct of medical service to some extent. Further ahead, in some countries, such satellite communication technologies is combined with robotics, AI, etc., and the specially designed robots and devices are being employed in COVID patient care. Let's have a look at some of these models. The Boston Dynamics robot dog, Spot, was assigned to Brigham and Women's Hospital in Boston. Spot has a tablet attached and thus the robot operator can communicate with patients and other healthcare personnel. These robots are employed in triage tents and parking lots to help hospital staff receive information and monitor the COVID-19 suspects and perform initial assessments. Spot collects vital signs from patients such as body temperature, respiratory rate, pulse and oxygen levels, thus minimizing contact of health personnel. The smart hospital was monitored at a distance, starting with the triage through initial screening of the patient by 5G thermometers to detect signs of fever, followed by monitoring his vital signs through a worn ring or bracelet connected with artificial intelligence platform. The above mentioned non exhaustive means, supported by satellite technologies, have been crucial for China to contain the fast spreading COVID 19. It also deployed all its surveillance resources as drones and location based social media applications to track people's movements. Indonesia has also used the satellite communication technology domain to combat the COVID 19 spread. Using satellite communication, Lapan, through the Lapan A2 or Lapan Arari satellite, has given public information on physical distancing and raised awareness on the importance of wearing masks when going outside. Future scope. Remote sensing satellites can be extended in monitoring infectious disease outbreaks and to provide information about possible disease carrying vectors like insects or rodents. Thus, the outbreak can be controlled primordially. Combining artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and satellite technologies efficiently can help us tackle the problem of decreased doctor patient ratio in pandemic situations, as more number of patients can be dealt by a single doctor. Probable patient care devices and ventilators that can be operated by local technicians with continuous connectivity to specialists who provide instructions can help us minimize the death rate in rural areas where hospitals and professional healthcare providers are unavailable. Along with the advancements, it is also necessary to ensure that while tracking down people and data, ethical issues regarding infringement to personal lives is also taken into account.
In conclusion, space technologies are invaluable presently and in future too in helping healthcare personnel and governments predict an outbreak, track the disease's source, control the spread, implement precautionary measures, extend patient care facilities, and for identifying where the most damage occurred so as to take more efficient measures. It can also help us maintain daily activities such as communication and work afloat. Proper channeling of the igniting dynamic minds of our youth can help us make advancements in space technologies to complement medical science in a much better way in the future.